Here is how to create an avatar on Snapchat. So first, let's go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on your device, whatever you're using. Then after, click on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. There you'll see the indication of create my avatar, which is highlighted in yellow color. Go ahead and select it. Your front camera will open and you need to get started by selecting the gender. I'm going to go ahead and select female. And now you need to go ahead and take a photo. Simply frame your face inside the circle, and this will automatically create you an avatar that you can use on Snapchat. Now let's go ahead and edit the avatar. Click on avatar, and in the bottom, you'll see different sections like fashion, selfie, pet, scene, and avatar. Let's go ahead and edit the avatar first. Go ahead and choose your hairstyle, then select the hair color. Choose the accessories that you want your avatar to wear. Then go ahead and choose your skin tone, also your eye shape and eye color, and eyelashes as well. You can enhance your eyes if you want. Also, choose the shape of the eyebrows that you want to set and go through other different options available here. You can also choose your body shape. Go to fashion option and go through different options available here. You can filter the items as well. Let's go ahead and choose sweaters and a color and also the brand if you want. Then under price, select free, select all year, and then select view results. Now you can go ahead and choose any one sweater that you want to cue to your character. Do the same for the bottoms as well. You can put on shoes along with bags, jackets, hair item, and you can also put on specs if you like. Now once you're done, select save in the top of the screen and your new Bitmoji avatar is now created. Now if you want to go ahead and add a pet, select pet, but you'll have to pay for your pet, which starts from $0.99. You can go ahead and purchase any pet you like to queue. You can go ahead and purchase Snapchat Plus, and this will let you access all the pet on Snapchat. And you can also select the scene. Go to backgrounds first, choose any one that you prefer, go to poses, and select one that you like, and select save in the top. Your Bitmoji avatar is now fully created. Likewise, you can also go ahead and set up your public profile if you want. You can click on the edit icon in the top right, then upload your profile picture, bio, location, and enable this option if you want your follower count to be shown on your profile. And you can also edit your background image. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.